All right, let's roll.
Hold on tight.
All right, time to clean up. Got it. Now to dump it. Easy does it.
Whoa, this is awesome! Yeah, we upgraded everything. Go, go, go! Yeah!
Safety is the most important.
Protect the environment and reuse. Dad, can we build this?
Let's see the plans.
It's a jet ski from cans.
Hey, kid! Think you can keep up? You bet I can! We'll see about that! Oh! Gotcha! Maybe build something that! It's okay. We'll build a better one. See this? The new aerodynamic hull will improve stability.
Wow!
Excavator, build it better. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have.
It's okay, let's race.
You're on!
Catch me if you can!
Wow, it's so big.
Hey, get away from there, you little pest!
I'm sorry, I was just looking.
Beat it!
The wolf was mean to me today.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What
Chased me and took my toy. Can you build a combine?
I will. See this pile? Every can we recycle helps the planet.
Wow, so if I recycle, I can make a difference?
Exactly. This is the engine, see?
Wow, it looks complicated.
It is, but we'll build it together. All right, little buddy, let's see what this thing can do.
Yeah,
Whoa, look at those sparks fly.
awesome.
That's it, keep her steady.
This is so much fun.
You're doing great, champ. Ready to lose, furball? In your dreams, scrap heap.
Ha! Eat my dust!
We'll see about that. Woo! Full speed ahead!
My combine harvester broke. The wolf did it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I was so careful.
Ready to see the big machine up close?
Yes, it's so high.
You're doing great. Hold on tight. Try to keep up, furball.
Just watch this. Easy now, big guy. Time to grab the harvest.
Hey, what is that thing? Let go! It's just a lift! See this cardboard? We can make something special.
Wow, can I try?
Of course, let's do it together. See how I hold it steady?
Wow, can I try?
Of course, nice and slow. See, little one? The bus is finished.
Wow, it's amazing. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
We did it, Papa. Our bus is ready.
Yes, we did. I'm so proud of you.
Here we go.
Try to keep up.
I'm right with you.
We'll see about that.
Stay back. I won't let you win.
What? You're going to crash us both.
I have to try.
This is our new school bus. See the big wheels?
Wow, so cool.
It will be. We can build it together.
Look, Papa, a big flower.
It's beautiful, little one. You're so creative.
Hee now smiley face.
My baby! Hold on! Please, hold on!
I knew you'd come back for me.
I'm so glad we did this.
Oh, honey, this is the best vacation ever.
Look at me. I'm flying.
You sure are, little buddy.
This is the best vacation ever.
They said I was crazy to dream this big. But here we are, sailing towards the sunset on my new yacht. Dream big, my friends.
You're going in.
Hey, put me down. I'll get you back for this. Help! Please, someone help me!
Whoopee! This is the best day ever. Roar! Look at the trees. They're going so fast. Are you having a good time back there?
We'll be there soon, little buddy.
Don't you worry, we're here to help.
You two are safe with us.
Keep running! Don't stop! I'm scared! Look straight ahead! We made it! It's all right, sweetie. I won't let the fire hurt you. We're safe now.
can't breathe. I can't do this. Hey, look at me. It's gonna be all right. Just take a deep breath. Help me. Help me. Help me.
They say it is impossible, but they underestimate the heart of this community. We will find a way to bring our friend home.
Have a wonderful day, sweetie. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. I love you too. Bye. Renee, it's so good to see again.
Are we almost there?
I heard we're having pizza for lunch. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Танцуют все. What a happening to our car! Help! They're taking him! Get out of here! We're gonna crash! Look out! Help!
Don't just look at it, sweetie. Try the burger while it's nice and warm.
Oh my gosh, that can't be right! Are you absolutely sure? We need that shipment now, or we are ruined!
I don't care how you do it, just shut down the perimeter now. Do you hear me? Now!
Dispatch, we have the subject contained at the restaurant entrance. Send backup immediately.
I don't care what the weather looks like, Commander! We need those reinforcements now, or this whole operation is compromised!
It's okay, sweetie. You're safe now.
Daddy.